When I'm taking notes, I use that as a way to both stay engaged in class, to really make sure that I'm absorbing everything, but also, so I have an actual marking system on the side of my notes of longer and shorter lines that allows me to distinguish between more and less important information, as well as actually separating between different concepts. Just even, at the beginning of each class, I write down the date, what that class is about, so that I'm able to, with more of a space and a larger line to allow me to flip back through very quickly when studying the notes later for tests, or even just later in the class if there's something that I need to go back and refresh or change. If a student's asking a question about something that I understand a little bit better, and I have a moment to kind of go back and clarify something if I wrote it down or left a question mark, and to kind of continually engage with that during the class, to really build a more just really robust document to study from.